Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. As you all know, we've been doing a heat protection giveaway for £150 and we're just about to pick the winner. We've had, how many was it, 126 entries?
126.
Yeah, 126 entries, which is awesome. So we're going to put it into a random generator in a second and pick a winner. We honestly didn't think we'd get that many entries, if we're honest.
No. 20.
So, yeah, 20. We were kind of hoping to do 20 or 30, but we've done a load, which is cool. And loads of new subs as well, which is awesome to the channel. Right, anyway, let's go. Right, so, do you want to hold that? Thank you, Hamish. Right, so as you can see, down here, we've got all the winners, all the way down to 120 winners. All the entries down to 126. Let me just copy these. Right, so just to show everybody how it works, we're going to go with Hamish and Matt. Let's see who wins.
Go on, Hamish.
Yes.
Ah, screw you, buddy.
Anyway, so that's basically how it works. So we are going to put all the names in, which is all the way down to 126 from 1. And let's see who's won the £150 heat protection prize.
Oh. Bum, 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 bum.
So,
Faster Pim.
Faster Pim. Congratulations. If you could message us on Facebook or Instagram, or even email us, then we'll get your prize sorted out for you. Thank you to everyone who entered, and we will see you soon.